I'm not a uh, what's going on? What's happening? What's good? We are here in the studio. We have the Betopper LM120s synced up to SoundSwitch, and for a special surprise, I brought in another Betopper, the BI, the LM0740. So this was fairly simple to sync into SoundSwitch, as LM120s are a 23 channel light fixture. I gave one of them channel 420 and moved up 23 more channels, gave the other one 443. The BI is somewhere in there like 128, 129, and I will show you really quick how to add these fixtures into SoundSwitch. So bear with me with these cameras because I'm trying something new with the eCam. So here it is, we're into the DMX, into SoundSwitch as it's open. We're gonna go into the DMX mode. I already have them added, and it's simple as that. You go down here to the right, you type in Betopper, and then once, I'll show you live. So let's get rid of that. Type in Betopper. Boom. Then you can start typing anything in here. Let's do BI. And there's the BI. Like I said, they're already up in there. I'm not going to go back into that. All right. Now that the fixtures are added, we can go in here and have some fun. Now that's one right. Now we're in the edit mode, so let's go to performance mode really quick. Let's see what happens there. Go to perform. We're going to go to the Betopper series. Now we got some lights going. All right, guys. So we have these Betoppers synced up to SoundSwitch, and I ran an auto script. I want to show you guys this auto script I ran and how easy it is to run auto scripts. I am not a SoundSwitch guru, so I mainly rely on the auto scripts because I really don't have time to sit here and set different scenes with drops. I rely on the Control 1 with the music. When I know a certain drop is going to come, I'll hit a whiteout or a strobe on the SoundSwitch Control 1, and I'm good. I want to give a shout out to all the other DJs that dive deep into these rabbit holes with SoundSwitch, because you guys are a lot better than me and have a lot more patience, because I want to get there and go. So salute and respect to you guys, but I'm going to do a really quick auto script and show you how this works. All right, so here we are. I'm going to go to this one. It's an October 11th event. If these lights get in your way, I apologize, guys. So this is an October 11th event. As you can see, there's double S's already in there, and I already auto scripted it. So I'm going to do it again. I want to try something different. All right, so we right click this. I'm going to go auto script. A new window pops. We're going to make this one something a little different. I had it on party, new preset. So we're going to try this one with, let's try something different. Hip hop and R&B, new preset. Auto. So right now, SoundSwitch is running their automatic light show. And as it goes down, it's queued up and we can keep going. While we wait for this auto script, I just want to ask a question for the comments. What are you using to run your lighting programs? I know prior to SoundSwitch, I was running my DMX Go with an iPad. That served its purpose, and I went to upgrade. I've been looking at another one called the Wolf Mix. That one's pretty cool. Let me know what you think in the comments. Should I stick to SoundSwitch? Should I go to Wolf Mix? There's also the ILS system as well. So there are so many different possibilities with lighting. in the mobile DJ business. This is one that I find that's pretty easy and convenient for me, and it's almost like a set and forget, but I'm always looking to upgrade. All right, we are auto scripted and ready to go. So I'm going to pick one song really quick to see what this looks like. It always asks me if I want to save my changes. Of course. So I'm going to pick one song and we're going to go from there. There we go. So it is doing its thing. Set and forget. I don't have to worry about anything. And as the beat drops, it will change colors and do different things. And then if I want, when the beat drops and I know a beat's dropping, I'm going to drop a strobe, white it out, do what I have to do. So right now, there it is. And it's in my face. All right, so we're going to pause because I got a lot going on. 30 minutes into that.